I earned over 240,000 US dollars from changes in my hooks. And here's the prompt that I used. But before I show you the prompt, let's first get into the problem is that you create content, but you get 0 leads. Sure, you get views, but they don't convert into prospects. On top of that, you waste hours creating content that doesn't pay. The issue isn't your content, it's your hooks. Now, I wasn't always making money from content, but then I took the same content and got different results after I figured this out. You see, hooks are 80% of the battle. Now, your hook determines whether someone sees your content. So if you're seeing this video right now, it means my hook worked. And no, I didn't analyze thousands upon thousands of hooks. I didn't do any of that. I leveraged people and influencers who did. So in YouTube, if you just type in hooks, you'll come across some content like how to create irresistible hooks. Kallaway seems to be the space in terms of creating hooks. Then I came into NotebookLM, where I imported all of these different videos, as well as this template I found, which has over 280 powerful hooks. This was sourced from Matt Gray and TMS Media Production Services. And essentially, I asked it to create a detailed SOP or standard operating procedure that would give an AI to take whatever context it gets. It must have all of the details to create these text-based titles, hooks, formulas with examples, put as many formulas and examples as you can for the AI operator to know and understand how to design hooks for a goal of max clicks, max revenue even, and hopefully virality based on the sources. In each section, mention the person's framework that you're using so I can refer to that person later on. So this is the SOP or AI protocol for generating high virality text hooks. I told it this is your objective. We need to sell the click. The job of the hook is not to teach, it's to get the viewer to stop scrolling and consume the content. Because you can have amazing content, but if your hook doesn't stop people in its tracks, it's useless. So I've got these various phases, which has the input analysis or the power word scan. This is a framework by Kallaway, which says this is the subject, the contrast, what is the before and after, or the old versus new way, the proof, why should they trust this, the time, is there a speed constraint, or can we make $100,000 or 100,000 subscribers in 30 days. So I'm not going to go through the entire prompt because you can grab it at the link down below, which will take you to our corporate automation library, which has over 1,261 automators. And here we cover everything you need to know about automation in the corporate setting, all the way from content creation, social media publishing. We even have some open Claude skills as well, marketing and growth, sales and development, operations, image and video generation, customer support, as well as copywriting, where you can find this title hook, prompt, open Claude skill, and as well as the N8N workflow. So you can see in this instance of how we repurpose our existing content, where our video comes in from here that is already transcribed. It creates a simple LinkedIn post, it writes the article, and over here is where we have our hook generator that generates the hook according to the specification over here. So I manually tested this on my own videos, and this is what it came up with. So for this particular video, which is on hooks, it broke it down into the background. This is what the thumbnail should look like. Over here it came up with some options. So option A is $240,000 from hooks. Here is the prompt. Hooks that made $240,000. Here's the prompt. Or 240k one hook prompt. Here it is. If you're interested in the underlying model that I'm using, I'm currently using GLM5, which I think works pretty well. It got released recently. And there's also Minimax M2.5, which is pretty good. Now, if you have a ChatGPT or Claude project, or even a Google Gem, you'll have something that looks like this. Now, for the specific hook generator, I gave it 2 files. One file is the title hook generator that you've seen, as well as my ICP or ideal client profile. This is important to have. This will create just generic hooks. This will tell the AI exactly who I'm targeting, their pain points, as well as what my goals are. You can see that I didn't give it any other custom prompts, and I can select basically any model that I want to use. And the results that I've gotten from implementing these hooks are phenomenal. You can see all of the amounts that came in, even $1,000 amount over there. What can I say? Who doesn't love all these amounts coming in? And as you can see, there's a $3,000 amount over there. Now, don't take my word for it. You can test this out for yourself. If you are uploading content, whatever it is, like on YouTube, you can put 3 variations of the same thumbnail with different titles. And you can test these titles out. This one got over 40%. You can grab the OpenClaw and Claude Code skill, as well as the N8N workflow when you join the corporate automation library. And yeah, just a side note, we are building up our school community. So if you're keen for that, definitely sign up at the link down below for the waitlist, and we'll let you know when it's ready. And if you're interested in booking a call with us, check out CalMax or the Corporate Automation Library Max, where you can hire me as a fractional automation partner or work on any bespoke project that you need. Now, hooks are just one part of the puzzle. Getting your copyright is the next piece. Check this video right up here.